Okay, so I'm recreating the, oh shoot, I'll put this over here. I'm recreating the cloud eye look, and how do you think it looks so far? I did this blue right here, and this blue right here on the corners, and I did this on the inside. I did this one on the inside. How does it look? I look really wild right now. I need to add some, you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to add this frat bag. I got the crystal iced palette from CVS, and I think I'm going to use the frat bay brown on top of my eyelids. Or, you know what, no, I'm going to use the iced tea. That's a golden, that's a bronze right here. Okay, how does it look? Oh, it looks wild. I need some eyeliner. How does it look? I look like Lady Gaga. No, I need... One second, let me pause this. This Bella Pierre came in my Ipsy bag, and I think I'm going to use it to put my... Oh my goodness, I look like a raccoon with blue eyes. And this color is Incognito. It smells like chocolate. Ta-da! How do I look? Ooh, I look wild. But I really think it contrasts my eyes, don't you think? Really brings my eyes out.